In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manage and enhance your experience with Google's privacy settings by turning off personalized ads. In just a few simple steps, you'll take control of your data and enjoy a more tailored browsing experience. Let's get started by navigating to your Google account. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to your Google account. You can do this by visiting www.google.com and logging in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner if you're on a computer. Clicking on this icon will give you a drop-down menu with several options, including Manage Your Google Account. Go ahead and select this option to proceed. Now that you're in your Google account, you'll see a navigation panel on the left side of the screen. This panel contains several options like Home, Personal Info, and Data and Privacy, which is what we're interested in today. Click on Data and Privacy, and you'll be taken to a new section where you can manage your privacy settings. This area is crucial for anyone who wants to take charge of how their data is used. In the Data and Privacy section, scroll down until you find the Personalized Ads option. This setting controls the ads you see across Google services based on your information and activity. Personalized ads can be useful, but they aren't for everyone. If you prefer to keep your browsing experience as private and clutter-free as possible, you'll want to consider turning off this feature. To do this, simply find the toggle switch next to Personalized Ads and click it to turn the setting off. Once deactivated, you'll notice the switch changes color to indicate that personalized ads have been disabled. Congratulations, you've just completed the main task. Turning off personalized ads means you'll still see ads, but they won't be based on your activity on Google services. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you've successfully taken control over your ad experience on Google. By managing personalized ads, you're not only enhancing your privacy, but also gaining a better understanding of the tools available to you within your Google account. Remember, navigating your settings is key to keeping your online data usage transparent and secure. Feel free to explore more of Google's privacy settings if you're interested in making further adjustments. Thank you for joining me in this straightforward guide on managing your Google privacy settings. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks in future videos. And until then, happy browsing.